Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how you can get sign in into the online banking account of Capital One Bank. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and searching for a capitalone.com and press enter. At the official webpage of Capital Bank, you can see the login form where you need to provide your account credential, that is your username and password. So go from the username. Now go in for providing your password. Now after you provide both the details, that is your username and password, you simply click on sign in where you will get logged in into your online banking account of Capital One Bank. Just in case if you forgot your username and password of your banking account, you need to click on the link given below, that is forgot username or password. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to another page where you need to follow the further instruction that has been provided. Then you will be able to have your ID or password. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can get logged in into the online banking account of Capital One Bank. Thank you.